Okay, so in the previous video, we have seen that how to perform this user login validations and things like that. Uh, so yeah, we stopped over here. So now instead of just printing this sort of message, I will try to implement redirections, because if I register as well, it will show the die message. Instead of that, I think it's better having a redirection that's redirector function. Okay, so this is the first phase. We are going to declare a helper. So I'm going to declare a helper is known as url helper.php. So you can have your own helper libraries as well. Okay, so in my case, I will create a redirection method. So it's just a simple function which redirects to a specific page. Okay, it can only do the redirection to a specific page as only to a specific page as well. Okay, so localhost, not the localhost. I think this must be location. So this is the URL request, and the URL root, and this, and corresponding page. Right, that's it. But we need to load this helper to the for each controller and for each views. Therefore, I need to specify it in the uh, bootloader file. So I will specify it as load helpers. So require once helpers URL helper. Then I can use this URL helper inside the user's registration. So in initial user registration, this is just a die message. Instead of that, I can now use the redirection method to the user's login. Right, then it will go to the user's login. So let me check that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So now after registering, it will redirect to this user login method. Sorry, user login page. Then after login, I must redirect it to some sort of an index page, right? So let me create such a page. Yeah, maybe in the pages, in the index. Let me create some sort of empty thing. Okay, initially. Let's say it's not be about. Let me create a new folder called pages, and let's say index.php, and it almost similar to such a page, about page, but yeah, let me take the user login to the index and remove the form over here, and instead of having a form, I will simply print welcome. Okay, so now go to the pages controller. So this is not the v about, this is use, sorry, pages index. So The redirection is after login, not a die function, but pages index. Okay. So whenever now I logged in, I will go to the index page. Okay. So that's how basically redirection happens. Right. I think for this video, this redirecting part will be enough. Next video, I will cover the user sessions and other helper functions in more detail. Thank you.